Hey guys, Dimitri here with the Roofing Insights, and I have a very special guest here today, Jake from Job Nimbus. Thanks for stopping, man.
Glad to be here.
So, one of the most popular questions we get at all times is, Dimitri, Roofing Insights, what CRM do you guys recommend? And I'll be honest with you, there's only one CRM I've always been recommending to people, and I'm finally ready to make it official and make it public record that the only CRM I recommend to startup roofing companies is Job Nimbus. I'll explain why in this video, and I have quite a few questions for this gentleman, and I'll start with the first one. What is CRM? A lot of people don't know. If you don't know what CRM is, you have to finish this video because this is for you. It'll change your life and you'll never be the same. What is CRM?
So it's an acronym for customer resource management, but what it is in layman's terms is it's a way to manage your customers and your projects.
And this is exactly what Job Nimbus is. And a lot of people have been asking me, what's the best? There's quite a few CRMs for roofers, and Job Nimbus is probably top one or two, like, at the top. The most popular, the most cost-effective. If you're starting your business, you're probably price sensitive, so you don't want to pay a lot of money, and that's why one of the reasons we highly endorse them and send everybody to them. And again, I'm a roofer. I have a roofing company, and I'm also a roofer who've tried other CRMs, and I know how to compare them. So for the sake of, for legal reasons, I will not compare, and I will not make who makes the best CRM. I'll just say who makes the best, and that's Job Nimbus. Thanks for coming, guys. So Jake, my first question will be about pricing, because I know there is quite a few CRMs on the market, and obviously a roofing business is it's a customer service business. So there's a lot of moving parts. Tons. I've been doing it for 5 years, and it still gives me headaches. How many moving parts there? You have insurances, you have customers, there's just a lot, right? So, but also they look at roofers honestly as money-making machines, and it's all about how much money is subscription and they can get. So what I noticed, the roofers, especially startups, are price sensitive.
Sure.
You're in the lower end. Why you're so cheap compared to your competitors?
Well, I guess the question that the way we would answer that is with a question is, why are they so expensive?
I love it.
Really, there's a level. When we brought forward Job Nimbus, I have to give credit to some of the other CRMs. They really did bring technology into the workplace, but we had such a response of, I need something simple. I need something that's customizable. No two roofers run their company the same way, and so that's kind of the premise that we built Job Nimbus on. And one of those things was also with our pricing. We wanted to be able to just go to somebody and have one set price that they could count on. We're not going to charge them for extra stuff. We're not going to add extras here and there with integrations that we do. We just wanted to offer something that was a long-term product that was going to give them value over time and not just try and retire off of one large customer.
So how long did you have that price? So it's $25 per user, right?
It's been that way from the beginning.
And how long is that?
6 years we've been in business.
For 6 years, I want you to think about it. 6 years, $25 per user, and you haven't changed.
We haven't changed.
Why? That's your model.
That's our model.
And
it's simple.
And this is one simple reason why I endorse them and I recommend them to any startup company, because when you have that integrity like that, it matters. Like, your hard work and dollars matters. It's mind blowing to me how many hidden fees. It's my third CRM, and my story is I started first one. It was very limited. It was on the lower end too, but it was like $50. So it was still double, the price, but it was very limited. And then I got in another one where it's a higher price, and then you have to pay more if you want to upload pictures, and you have to pay more if you want to do estimating parts. So there's so many, and then I started having billing issues with that one, and the billing issues was they knew that we don't use estimated part of software, but they were billing us for 12 users $10, right? So per user. So now you're paying $120 per month, and I'm like, something is not right. My bill was over $1,000. So I looked, called them up and say, hey guys, you know that we're not using estimated software. Can you refund us for the last 3 months? And they're like, no, we're not going to refund you, because there was literally a checkbox in the CRM that we're going to be using it, but they know that we didn't use it, and the way they know it because we actually have been waiting back in the day QuickBooks integration with that CRM, and they keep promising them, but they wouldn't deliver. So anyway, long story short, the owner pretty much said we're not gonna do it. Like even when it escalated, and I dropped it, not a big deal. But I'm looking out for smaller guys. Like when you start your business, and every dollar matters. Like to pay somebody $10 just to be able to upload pictures, for me, it's for one, I would say it's misleading, and that's why I appreciate what you guys doing because they will get you on the front end, but then by the end of the day, when you've done, it's just I don't understand it. How many users do you have right now?
We don't really talk about that,
Sure.
but by best assumptions that we can make off of information we have, we're number one in the roofing industry.
You're number one.
If we're not, we're neck and neck with the other leader in the
Wow.
industry. So it's a
Love it.
again,
No,
I got to give them props. They've been in the industry longer,
Sure.
and we really. The low barrier to entry was important to us, and because if you want to scale your business, you have to have something to be organized, or you're going to have a
Absolutely.
mess on your hands. So that was really that was important to us, is not to become a company that they work with, but become a tool that was integral to their business, and have to be able to afford that from the beginning. And if you start out a mess, you're going to stay a mess. I mean, you really, to be able to begin to focus and stay on that track, super important for us. So we're very large. We have companies with 5 users. We have companies with 1 user. We have companies with hundreds of users. So,
And I couldn't agree, guys, more. Like, I'm very lucky and happy, like because I got in the business 5 years ago, and right from the get-go, like I didn't know the old ways. I didn't know like paperwork and stuff like that. I have like right from the beginning, I started putting all my data in one place, and it's the best decision I ever made. Like literally, right now I can go back and track every single customer I've ever served, which is really good. Gordy, I'm gonna kill you. Gordy behind the camera trying to be funny, interrupting my interview here. So anyway, guys, if you even thinking about CRM, there's nothing to think about. You have to do it. There's no other way. What other way you're gonna track your customers? Like if you're serving somebody today, if somebody's calling you, if you don't see the numbers, you can't run your business efficiently. The only way you can run your business efficiently is from the top view to see what's coming in, what's going out, your pipelines, your numbers talk. It's not idea. It's not what you think your business is doing. Numbers will tell you the story about your business, and that's why CRM is a must. And if you just enter in the field, something like Job Nimbus will work for you. I guarantee it, like because I've seen it. I've done it myself, and I've seen other CRMs, and I've seen a lot of small startup companies doing it. Well, thanks a lot for helping small businesses like mine. I mean, you guys doing an amazing job. Cannot thank you enough, and keep up the good fight for us.
happy to do it.